My name's Ben Harris, and I'm from Kennesaw, Georgia. The final turning point for me for going ahead and getting the arches is I was tired of hiding my smile. I was tired of putting my hand up in front of pictures, and the money and the time finally all came together at just the right time, so I figured I'd finally do something about it so I could smile in pictures with my kids. My confidence level before the procedure, I would constantly put my hand up in front of my face or not look at people or try to conceal my teeth in some way, and that interfered with my work a little bit when I was talking to a customer that I couldn't engage with them exactly at the level I wanted to. After the procedure, I was a lot more calm and comfortable about that. I'm smiling at customers, I'm smiling at coworkers, and it has just helped me tremendously. My friends and family have been super supportive and happy about what they're seeing. My wife loves them. We're taking more pictures together where I'm actually opening my mouth in photos. My kids love them. They constantly comment on them being shiny and new, and shiny and clean rather, and they're constantly taking selfies with me and stuff, so it's nice. I spend a lot of time looking on forums, watching YouTube videos of people with different implant solutions. That's how I learned about Restore in 24, was somebody was talking about it in a forum, and it seemed to address exactly what I needed it to do without the gap of coming back for several different procedures. I'm not a fan of going to the dentist, and so I didn't want to spend more time in a dentist's office than I had to. Reading more and interacting with a guy that had it done really helped me make my decision as well. The first moment I saw my new smile, I was relieved. I was afraid that it wasn't going to look right. I was afraid it would look off, but when I finally did smile, it took all that anxiety away from me, and I was able to relax because it didn't look peculiar, foreign, or out of place in my mouth. Somebody should choose Restore in 24 for this because it was super easy, super comfortable. I had an office visit a few months ago, and we talked about when the best time would be. They were very flexible on that front. We settled on the time. I came in the day of the procedure, and everything was much better than I expected it to go. And any of my follow-up visits have gone very calm and smooth as well.